Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how you can customize these two buttons, the home button and the back button on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. Now the buttons come with pre-existing features that are already chosen, but if you want to change them, simply go to your apps, go to settings, scroll down until you get to buttons and gestures, click on it, and here you'll have the home button. The one from above is the home button. If you double press on it, you can change to go to most recent app, accessibility, my exercises, water log, or even apps. So if I double press on this button, it should redirect me to settings. Just like this. Now for the long press, here's a little of advice from me. It's gonna be automatically choose Bixby, but if you want to choose, you have the digital assistance, and for more control, select power off menu. Now if you press longer on it, you'll have this menu that you can select emergency call, turn on touch sensitivity, and turn off your watch. Now for the back button, you have only short press, and the functionality is go to previous screen or show recent apps. If you select this one and you click simply on the back button, you'll have all the apps. Thank you guys for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.